This tutorial is designed to help you record and edit sound files that can be submitted to the MCDA website for summer honor choir auditions. Begin the process by downloading and installing Audacity from the website listed on the screen. If you're doing this through a school computer, you will probably need help from your technology department or someone with an administrative password. After you have installed Audacity, you will need to download and run a second file that will allow Audacity to save MP3 files. If you're doing this through a school computer, you will need help from your technology department again. Once you have installed both files, you are ready to record. It's best to record each segment of the audition in a separate file. That way it allows you time to focus on each segment and you don't feel like you have to rush from one segment to the next or record it all in one session. After you've recorded a section of the audition and you're happy with that, you can then trim off any excess sound from the beginning and end of the file. Simply select what you want to remove, press delete, and it will be gone. After you have edited the file and it's like you want, save that file with a descriptive title that includes the student's name and the segment of the audition this file represents. This is going to help you when you start putting all the files together into one single file for the audition. Repeat the recording and editing process for the other segments of the audition. After you've edited each segment, make sure you save each segment with a descriptive file name. When you've finished recording all of the segments and you're ready to combine each of them into one single file, begin by opening all the segments of a student's audition. This is going to look like 3 separate windows. Begin by selecting and copying the first segment. After you've copied the first segment, then create a new file in Audacity. When you've created the new file in Audacity, paste the first segment into this new file that you just copied, either by selecting Edit, Paste, or Control V. Then save the file with a descriptive title. Now open the second segment of the audition. Select the file. Copy by going to Edit, Copy, or Control C. Return to your new file that you just created that should have the first segment in there. Put your cursor at the end of this first segment and paste what you just copied at the end of your file. If you have a third segment for the audition, open that window, select that file, and copy it. Return to your new file, put the cursor at the end, and then paste that third segment to the end of your file. Play the entire file to make sure that everything is there, everything is in the right order, and it's like you want it. Again, save the file. To create an MP3 of this file that you can submit for the audition, select File from the top menu, then select Export from the drop-down menu. When you see the Save window open up, select MP3 from the drop-down menu at the bottom, and then type in the file name according to the directions given in the audition instructions, and then press Save. This file that you just saved as an MP3 format is the file that you will submit through the MCDA website.